Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, here I started one Telegram group as well as a Facebook group also. So both the two links group I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in that group, guys. And coming to the present video, here we are going to see the different faculty notifications from the different colleges, okay, collected from the different websites and as well as the newspapers. So you may check down, guys. Okay, here the opportunities are there for the PG, UG and UGCNET, non-UGCNET and the PhD candidates. So let us see the details regarding these advertisements. So before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwini Kumar, an academy educator for the electronic science as well as the paper 1. So here the complete course for the UGCNET electronic science as well as the paper 1 MCQ series is going to start. That means electronic science already started and the MCQ series is going to start. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. The link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video. So this advertisement was published on 12th Feb on the Enado newspaper. It is MNR degree and PG college. So wanted lecturers for MSc organic chemistry, MSc physical chemistry, microbiology, genetics or biotechnology, mathematics, MCom and ME English. And eligibility as per the Usmania University norms, the salary as per the qualification and experience, and interested candidates may send their resumes along with the copies of their certificate within 7 days to the above given address or to mnrpgcourses@gmail.com. So the interested candidates may send your resume along with the certificates within the 7 days, means 12 plus 7, that is 19th or else 18th Feb. Okay. So send your documents to the mentioned address here. Okay, MNR degree and PG college, PG campus opposite JNTU near HMT Hills, Kukatpalli, Hyderabad. And here the contact numbers are also given here, or else you may send your resume and the necessary copies of the certificates to this provided mail ID. Okay, it is the first college. And the second advertisement is, it is also on 12th Feb. It is Nallamala Reddy Engineering Autonomous Institute. Okay, and here the faculty positions are there. Coming to the subject, CSC and English, the qualification as per the ACT norms. And it is Divyanagar, Gatkeshkar, Mitchell district. And here the email ID as well as the contact numbers are also given here. So here the walk-in is there. Walk-in with original certificates on 13th and 14th Feb 2021. Or else you may send your resume to this provided email ID, but you have to attend the walk-in interview. Fine. So it is the second college. And while coming to the third one, it is IFTM University, okay, Moradabad, Uttar Pradesh, and university invites applications for the positions of professor, associate as well as the assistant professor in the following areas of management, commerce, hotel management, travel and tourism, pharmacy, education, journalism, English, Hindi, geography, sociology, economics, library science, political science, home science, law, computer applications, physics, chemistry, mathematics, zoology, botany, biotechnology, microbiology, food technology, agricultural science and agricultural engineering. And coming to the engineering department, computer science, electronics and communication, electrical, mechanical and civil. Okay, the salary and qualifications and experience as per the UGC norms. Okay, and application on plain paper containing the details of high school, intermediate, graduation, post-graduation, PhD, along with the attested photocopies of testimonials or certificate with complete resume and 2 passport size photographs should reach the registrar or email. Okay, you may do the email or else you may send to the post also. hr@iftmuniversity.ac.in within the 15 days of the publication of this advertisement. Okay. So we got this advertisement on Feb 10th, guys. So if you're having any queries regarding this one, here the contact numbers are given here. So you may contact to these numbers and let's confirm. And here the email ID as well as the official website ID is also provided here. Okay, it is a one college. And next one is CVR College of Engineering. So it is from Ibrahimpatnam, Rangareddy district. And appointments notification 2021. So applications are invited for the following faculty positions. Candidates should verify their suitability before applying to the positions and fill the Google form on the website. So in the website itself, the Google form is there, and here the link, okay, cvr.ac.in appointments on or before 20th Feb 2021. So candidates should have the original certificates, original PAN and Aadhaar cards with them and should be ready to join by the end of the March 2021. And here Professor Associate and Assistant Professor vacancies in CE, CSC, CSIT and CSC, in AML, CS and DS, and ECE, EEE, EAE, IT and the mechanical. And while coming to the H&S department, Assistant Professor in English, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Environmental Science, Management Science. Okay, so ACT pay scales will be provided, fine, and start for majority students, and MTech in Embedded Systems, AI, DS, CS are preferred for the MTech courses. Okay, so these are the 4 different notifications from the 4 different colleges, guys. So most of the departments are covered here, and the contact numbers are also there. Okay, so for the CVR college, you may visit the official website, guys, that is cvr.ac.in, and then go to the appointments. So please contact to the provided contact numbers if you are having any queries regarding these advertisements. Okay, and please subscribe the channel to get the more notifications like this, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon, guys, and share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the faculty positions and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam. Here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not.